Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joe and I hope you all are doing well. This is a series of videos which will help you to prepare for your Azure AI-102 certification. We will go through similar questions present in the exam and discuss in detail each and every options. A basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful to better understand these questions. I took one training to prepare for the certification and it was incredibly helpful and got me through the exam. I would highly recommend this training and the link will be provided in the description. So now let's get into the video. Now the format of the question is a requirement is given and you have to choose which feature of the Azure AI service should you use. Now to the question. Your factory produces cardboard packaging for food products but experiences intermittent internet connectivity. Each package must contain 4 product samples and you need a custom mission model to identify defects and verify product count while providing defect locations to an operator. Which project type and domain should you choose? Now the options are classification, object detection, retail, general compact, general, manufacturing. Let us break down the question. So what are the keywords present in the question? So you have to use the model in an environment where there is intermittent internet connectivity. Now there are 4 product samples present in a single package and you need a custom mission model and we have to identify the defects and also verify the product count. There is 4 product present in that package and also it has to provide the defect location if any defect is present in the product. So that is the requirement. First requirement is it should run offline or it should run in a place where there is intermittent internet connectivity. Next is it should count the product present in the package. It should count the objects present in that package. Next is it should also verify any defect present in that product and also provide with the locations where that defect is present. So to fulfill these requirements, which custom vision model should you choose and also which domain should you train the model? So you have to select 2 correct options. One is the project type and next is the domain. Since the question is regarding custom vision, let us get into the Microsoft documentation of custom vision. What is custom vision? Custom vision is an image recognition service that lets you build, deploy and improve your own image identifier models. Custom vision allows you to specify your own labels and train custom models to detect them. So it is a custom model. You have to train the model with your own data or images. Now custom vision functionality can be divided into 2 features. One is image classification. It is to categorize the given image. And next is object detection. It returns the coordinates in the image where the applied labels are found. So it is to detect objects present in the image and it will return the coordinates in the image where that particular object is present. Now let us get back into the question. So what is our need? Is our need to classify the image? No, that's not our need. What we need is to detect the product present in the package, whether there is 4 product samples present in that package. So we have to detect objects present in that package. Also, we have to detect the defects and get back the location where the defect is present. We have to get back the coordinates where that defect is present in the given package. So what we need is not classification model. What we need is object detection to identify the defects, to count how many objects are present in that package and to give back the location of the defect if any defect is present. Now getting back to the second part of the question, which domain should we choose? So what are the domains present in an object detection project? Now, this is the Microsoft documentation that explains the domain for a custom mission project. So here, these are the image classification domains. If you want, you can go through these domains. What we need is object detection domains. Now, there is a general domain. It is optimized for a broad range of object detection tasks. There is general A1 logo, and here is the compact domains, optimized for the constraints of real-time object detection on edge devices. What does that mean? Now, the compact domain, models generated by compact domains can be exported to run locally. It means that you can export the models created in the compact domain to run locally or to run on edge devices and in environments where there is intermittent internet connectivity. So that is what this means. So we have to choose compact domain if we want to export the model to run locally or offline. Now getting back into the question, our need is to run the model in intermittent internet connectivity. So which domain should we choose? We have to choose the general compact domain to create the project and train the model. Now, which custom vision model should you choose to fulfill these requirements? The model is object detection. And which domain should we choose to export the model to an environment where there is intermittent internet connectivity? We have to choose the general compact domain. So what did we learn from this question? We saw the difference between object detection and image classification of custom vision service. And also we saw the models generated by compact domains can be exported to run locally or offline.